1. Search bar, located at the top of the home page. Clicking it shows popular searches, vendors, and a Trending Now section. You can search for specific vendors or products, and past purchases may also appear. 2. Example search. Typing TP link shows suggested products, categories, E.g, vendors, product types, and trending terms. Searching leads to a results page with related terms listed below the search bar. 3. Filters. Refine results by hiding out-of-stock items, filtering by vendor, E.g, TP link, or sorting by price or new arrivals. Filters can be adjusted or removed individually or cleared all at once.